Hello everyone, my name is Cameron and this is my Mathematics and Science app review. I chose Motion Math, which is an instructional math games for children. On the website they have a great video that's going to show you a little bit about what they do. So we're just going to watch this.
With fractions, I'm half okay and half bad. It can be on the tip of my tongue, but I just kind of am like, what is that? I know what it is, but sometimes I just go, oh yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, level 5. You have to place the fraction or decimal at the right spot on the bar. If you get like all of them right, then you move on to the next level and keeps going. Oh dang, oh dang.
Oh my, no. I loved it.
I loved it too. If my teacher gave me this as homework, I would love my homework a lot.
I did good. If you don't get it right away, it gives you the tiny hints that would help you, but it doesn't give too big of a hint. You can get effects, you can get fun learning, and you can get anything that you would kind of want in a math game. So it's kind of like a kid's dream of school.
So that's a good example of how the app works. So here's some more examples of some formats of what they look like. So students manipulate a stretchable, zoomable number line from basic numbers to thousands of decimals to negatives. They help bounce the monkey by estimating and comparing numbers, fractions, decimals, percents, and pie charts. Hungry Fish, what are the ways to create a sum? This game builds fluency with addition, subtraction, and negative numbers. Numbers are represented visually, so young students who haven't yet mastered numeral symbols can explore addition. Students manage a cupcake delivery business, learning about word problems, coordination system, basics, economics. So it's got all kinds of different formats from different age ranges, so that way they can something that's a little bit more easier to something that's a little bit more in depth. So math grades 3 to 6. In this award-winning learning game, players are challenged to place numbers in the proper location on the number line. The iPad becomes a gyroscope to be tilted left or right to make the falling figures land the appropriate spot on the line. Motions Math's visual adaptive games help students master the most challenging K through 6 standards based on growth mindset research. Motion Math builds math fluency, conceptual understanding, and the love of challenge. So integration. So setting up the system, students simply enter an access code for immediate access to over 900 levels of adaptive content and the web or via our iPad apps. Teachers and admins sign into our dashboard to track student usage, mastery, and factors of learning such as growth mindset. So it's really easy to integrate. As far as integration in the classroom, it's got an innovative learning module that playfully teaches the conceptual foundations of math with interactive visuals aligned with content standards for easy integration into your lesson plans. So you could just enter your lesson plans. You would enter certain levels with certain concepts. That way it's easy for your students to know which ones they need to set up. And then they can work at their own pace, whether it be in the classroom together or as homework when they get home. Reinforces direct instruction with contextual problem solving and measures student factors of learning such as growth mindset. So yeah, that's my presentation. Thank you.